Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you the test with the normal face unlock and with the faster face recognition, and we'll see the difference between all of the tries with the stopwatch help. So now I'll just show you that that we got here enabled the regular face recognition. As can you see, the faster recognition is turned off. So now we'll just check the first 5 tries I'll make with the regular face unlock, and the second 5 tries I'll just enable the faster recognition, and we'll see the difference between these times with this stopwatch help. So now I'll see if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah. So let's try 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the normal face unlock is the 5 and 6 seconds. So 5 seconds, 6 milliseconds. So don't forget this volume, and just now we'll enable the faster face recognition, and we will see the result of the faster face recognition. So 5 and 6. Sorry. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's like 5 maybe, because I just a little bit late turned off the stopwatch. So 5 seconds, and so the difference between the face normal face unlock and the faster recognition is the half of second, so 0.6 millisecond. So I think that's just we got here the difference, not so just much time in the difference, but if you want, are you sure you can use the faster face recognition on your device. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.